Farm is amazing, y'all. We got avocado, more avocado, bananas, plátanos. Me encanta ir a su flores, su jardín es muy bonito.
Ese es huerta y ese es jardín. Huerta es when you produce food.
Es una huerta con jardín, porque ahí tiene jardín, también tiene parcela.
Alright, so El Jefe, I'm gonna call him El Jefe because his name's a little challenging for me. El Jefe has himself a little stable over here, right? It smells like horse and farm animal. You got a couple of horses here. Yo, what's up? Yo, what's good? Yeah, they just looking at me, whatever. Cause it's chicken run. Dang, they are out. Chicken are out. All right, so we are about to have lunch. It's kind of wide. I'm not sure what to expect. So I'm going to see what's good with this at the moment. And we have something wrapped in the leaf. What's this about?
Banana leaf or the plantain leaf?
Plantain leaf. Yeah.
All right, yeah, go ahead. Tell me. Can you tell me what's
Well,
about?
this is a typical fruit from the rural area.
Okay.
Named fiambre.
Fiambre.
Yes. And it's special because and it's packaged in this way because you can transport to the farm you need go to take
okay.
Yes, you can use on any moment, easy for transport. You can save sometimes a bit hot.
It smells good too. Continue.
Let me see your face. It looks
My face is like, we got some rice. I'm not sure if it's chicken.
chicken eggs.
And there's an egg.
Yeah.
And it's plantain as well.
Plantain yuca.
This is a whole meal.
Yeah, it's a full food, Ben.
Let's go. I could have sworn I seen like a spoon in there
Yeah,
too.
there's a spoon somewhere. Yeah.
All right. So I'm gonna definitely take a first bite.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put that there. All right.
Let him see the first bite.
Okay. All right. So we see this. All
I
right.
think that's a yuca.
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 So it's the rice with some of the salad that goes with it. Oh man.
It's a lot of energy. A lot of energy.
Okay. So it's a recording?
Yeah.
All right. So this is what I noticed, right? It has such a smooth, suave texture to it, and then the flavor just hits you. I even tried the chicken yet.
Oh, nice.
Oh my gosh. I want more. So as far as the chicken goes, it is a little tough.
It's a farm chicken. What do you call it? Criolla?
Okay.
De campo, pollo de campo.
Okay.
Sí, pollo
So-
de campo.
This is why I like this chicken, right? So in Jamaica, right? I know we're in Colombia, but in Jamaica, this is how I know it, right? In Jamaica, we call it live chicken, meaning chicken that's been raised in a legit farm that is kind of slaughtered a certain way, that doesn't have any preservatives and like fattened up in. So you're getting like the pure muscle, the pure meat from the chicken itself. In the States, normally, if the meat is too soft or so, that generally means that probably might have some stuff into it. But the live chicken, and normally it's the muscle of the chicken, and it's normally like is how the chicken like tenses itself out before it becomes slaughtered. But for those who are queasy about this, just don't listen to this part. But yeah, this is the freshness of the chicken though. And then the last part, the egg. Look at the yellow of that yolk.
Yeah.
Look at that yellow of that yolk. That is nice, right? That is nice. And then everything together, chicken, yuca, the egg, the piece of chicken.
Sweet plantain, right?
Ah, is there sweet plantain too?
All right, I'm gonna let Kristen eat his food. I'm gonna eat my food, right? Cause you already know I can eat for a while. I do food videos for a while, so you already know. All right? We're gonna eat. All right, we'll talk to you in a few. Oh, we got the stuff.
On the salad.
Oh, that's how you know it's good. That's how you know it's good.
Yeah, it's a sign.
know it's good.
It's a sign.
All right,
Yeah, you're
thanks,
right.
Kristen.
You're right.
Alright, y'all, I've just been told that we're going to try to go over those mountains towards the river. There are some soldiers here. Not really a base. They're just camping out around. And as far as the base goes, it says like on the other side of the mountain, going towards Buenaventura. This is absolutely amazing. Yo, this is absolutely amazing, y'all. You see them clouds behind me? Look where else we're going. Oh, sweaty. Keeping my balance. But yo, we are uphill. We are climbing. In the jungle now? Yeah, we're leaving the mountain range. We're going inside the jungle. Where no pit attempts have gone before, son. What's going on, y'all? This is Nate from NateInYoState, going where no pair of Tims have gone before. And yeah, your boy right now is in the jungle, right? We in the jungle. We know it's a jungle because there's like massive mosquitoes around us, you know, with our traditional New York uniform. We got our fitted, we got our Tims, and of course, we're joined by Jennifer, Christian. ¿Cómo se llama? Chepe. We're all here, and he's the jefe of everything. This is his jungle, right? He's the boss. He's the boss. This is his Luma Blanca. This is his reign, and we here checking out one of the waterfalls that's his. Hey yo, I'm just some dude from the Bronx, man, in the middle of the jungle in South America, about to take a bath in a waterfall. Oh man! One more! I ain't going out like that. Going is cold, but I like the water. You get used to it. Cool down first, then go into the water.
Supremamente frío. Yeah, New York City. Mi amigo Nate está súper feliz de la ciudad de Nueva York, disfrutando la naturaleza colombiana.
New York, son. That's how we do it. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Demasiado frío. Demasiado frío. What you think about the waterfall?
Oh, this is my place in Colombia. Really beautiful. You have to love this kind of place. Really amazing.
Okay.
Really fun. Really, really fun. Okay, now we are going up to Cali. We enjoy a lot of nature, waterfalls, really good food, typical fruit from Colombia and rural areas. So now we are going to the city, but we are really happy. We have good energy. I feel really good energy in this place. What do you feel about it?
Yo, honestly, I just want to say, me myself, me alegro. I'm very happy myself. Waterfall was beautiful. You know, the climate was great. It's perfect for someone like me that gets hot easily, moving around.
Yeah.
And then the waterfall, perfect. At first, your body, it takes a while for it to adjust to the temperatures of the ocean, of the waterfall coming down. But after a while, you kind of good. I know this guy was shivering, man. He was cold, man. but on the real, it was definitely good. So once again, thank y'all for pretty much watching this video. I hope you really like what you saw, and definitely shout outs to Jennifer for joining us on this trip. You know what I'm saying? My boy Christian right here. When you get to Cali and you want to do any more tours, his information is going to be in the description below. Be sure to hit him up, and then let him know that Nate sent you. All right. What do you think about am I saying frijoles? Frijoles?
Frijoles? What is frijoles?
Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know in the comment section below, what do you think about this, like in translated English, the cliffs of Cali. What do you think about the cliffs of Cali? Frijoles.
Fiambre.
No. Farallones. Farallones. National Park. What do you think about Farallones National Park? Is this something that you want to do? You know, it's somewhere we should go. Like, is there just something that you're intimidated about? Just let us know what you think in the comment section below. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. All right. Don't forget, check out more information on my website, NateInYoState.net. Continue to watch more videos. I have more videos. I'll have more videos for you each and every week. And we all happy, you know what I'm saying? Hit my brother up. Hit him up, man. Hit him up, because he's a perfect tour guide. And he'll take care of everything, all right? Hit him up. Thank you so much for watching this video, all right? So I just want you guys to keep eating, keep exploring, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Peace, brothers.
Peace.
Peace, brothers.
Hey, we out.
Yeah, we got it.